And this is Wednesday, November 27th, and Nancy is starting our Thanksgiving dinner. Nancy's been baking and cooking, getting ready for Thanksgiving tomorrow. And I didn't even think to get any of this in process, but there's our homemade pecan pie. Let's see, anything in the oven, baby? Okay, everything will be finished up tomorrow. Nancy's making homemade dressing, cornbread dressing from a recipe that my mom, I'll show you this tomorrow. And there's the turkey, it's ready to go in the oven. Homemade dressing, pecan pie, there will be mashed potatoes and sweet peas and mashed potatoes. Out for now. Okay, this is the start of the cornbread dressing. It's just beginning. There's a lot more that has to be done. Drippings from the turkey, turkey broth. There'll be some other things added, but this is from my mom's old recipe, and it really comes out good. It'll be put in the oven and baked for a while tomorrow. Out for now. Nancy's putting the final touches on the Thanksgiving dinner. I'm not sure what that is.
It's the giblets.
Okay, she's fixing the giblets, getting turkey ready. And we'll be doing the final touch-ups on the dressing a little bit later. Still needs to be baked. She's putting the giblets in the dressing. Later on, drippings from the turkey. Go ahead and put some milk in it too, baby. Yes, this works. Put a little bit of milk in it now. Later on, after it bakes, she'll be fixing it to taste, adding some more spices, maybe a little more milk. She's got to put drippings from the turkey in it. It'll be very good, believe me. What is it, a squirrel? Is it a squirrel? Is it two-legged squirrel or four-legged squirrel? Look at that. Look at that. That's going to be delicious. That's my favorite part of the whole turkey dinner right there. Look at my baby. Isn't she pretty? Look at that hair. I love that hair. Y'all in mommy way. Y'all go. The doggies seem to be very interested in that turkey and what mommy's doing right now. Y'all gonna get some turkey dinner too. Nancy stuffed the turkey with some dressing also. She's trying to dress it up, get it ready. Okay, Nancy's checking the cornbread dressing on the turkey. Wow, it's getting there, And she's got the cornbread dressing in there. Still got some time to bake. Alright, so just a short update. There's some potatoes. There's the sweet pea. And there's some gravy back there. There's the gravy, turkey gravy, homemade. I think she's basting the turkey. Alright.